和减少事故发挥了。
Across 3 regions, two-child provincial football league in Jiangsu ignited football passion across the country, with many other provinces now following suit. These stories not moved us or inspired us in China in the past year. So Tianyu, beyond medal counts, rich storylines truly captivated the whole nation and you in the past year. So for me, I think it has to be Johnson Tony becoming all the way to the finals, and that included beating Northern champion Daniel Sullivan in the semis,
and then a dominant win over Mark Williams in the final. That was Chinese snooker players. It will inspire them to aim higher and just to make a mark in international stage.
Right. Brandon, what for you was the most significant chapter written in Chinese sports in the past year?
I think the national games, particularly where it was hosted, across Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Macau, featuring record participation and, just an immense display of what is possible in terms of hosting a sporting event, on a national level. It can be something that's like the
说5设卫军之位。
いや、イギリスのスープなんだけど、その他の順番、曲紹介してくれないでしょうか。行きますよ、曲紹介お願いします。
条件应当符合规定，建立建筑。Сжимайте стебли гауляна и древесины. Работа завершается при помощи небольшого утюга, которым проглаживают детали. Поэтому этот метод и получил название утюжный. Подобный метод демонстрирует уникальность технологий, которые применялись архитекторами семейства Лэй.